Hello. What's up guys, I'm Henrik Jensen, 19 years old, and this is my Nicolai Geometron G15. So the G15 is a 150mm 29er. The size I'm running is the longer, which is effectively Geometron's medium, with a reach of 490mm. So the fork I'm using is the Fox 36 RC2. I've got 2 volume spacers inside, which means it's pretty progressive, which is how I like it. I've also run quite a fast rebound, just to take up all those nice hits. So on the rear I've got the Fox Float X2. I've got 3 volume spacers in there at the moment. I'm running quite a bit of compression as well, and then also I'm running quite a fast rebound. So I'm running a Hope 35mm stem paired with a Pro Tharsis 9.8 bar. I've cut it bar down to 770mm wide. I'm running Hope Tech 3 Enduro brakes, and then I'm running the XTR shifter. Obviously being a Surrey boy, I've got the Def grips on, but I've gone for the flangeless option. So I've got the Hope Tech cranks paired with a 34 tooth chainring, and then paired with a Hope Tech Enduro chain guide. Moving on to the back, got XT chain, XT rear mech, and then I've just moved over onto an XT 11 speed 1146 cassette. The pedals I'm using are the Crank Brothers Mallet E.
Spin them again. Oh yeah.
So I've got the Fox transfer post, and then I've got a fabric scoop saddle on there as well. So I'm running Specialized Butcher 2.3 front and rear. That's in the grid casing. I've got that on some Stans Flow Mark III rims, and then I've got those on some Hope Pro 4 hubs. And finally we move on to tyre pressures. I generally run about 24 to 26 psi in the front and about 27 to 29 in the rear. Right, that was my bike check. Now let's go for a spin. I got a third.
Big G out.